Hi everybody, Missybeelondon here, and I've got the unboxing to do for the Tress June box. As you can see, I'm struggling to open this box. There's always a struggle somewhere when I make videos, but you're gonna see all the goodies I got inside this box today. This box is themed on hair is Simba, and it's going to be her birthday this month, hence why she's doing takeover for June's box. I'm just showing you the pamphlet, the front and the back. It lets you know what's inside the box, all the details of the products, how to use them, and let me show you. Oh, another thing as well, a card from Photo for money off when you go on the website. Phyto, that's what they call Phyto. First item is Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. This is a little sample. This is another sample as well from Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Moisturizing Detangling Sulfate Free Shampoo. The next item is another one from Design Essentials, again, Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse. Nice little portable size, you can just pop in your bag and everything as well. I'm trying out mousse in my hair now, you know. I like the Clear and Nourish mousse, and let me just try out this mousse. Next item is the HAIRCARE Natural Texture Leave-In Conditioner. It's a nice little bottle as well. I think it's like a travel size bottle, I'm guessing. This is Phyto specific, what is it? Nourishing Styling Butter. It's a nice little tub. I opened it up, but it's sealed. I don't want to open the seal yet until I'm ready to use the product. Sorry about that. And plus the struggle trying to open the seal off. Look at that, I'm struggling now trying to take the lid off this thing. And to get the seal off as well, that'd be another hassle again, so I just left it like that. Sorry about that. But it's a lovely colour as well. Can't wait to use this butter in my hair as well. And the next item, again, it's Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. You know, most people know about Cantu. Cantu's been around for a while, so let's see how this product is. I used to use this shampoo and conditioner back in the days, but yeah. Next item is the Shea and Moisture Fruit Fusion Coconut Water Weightless Hair Mask. I am trying to start to use Shea Moisture. I got a few products already and I can't wait to use this. Give me a month or so, because now I've got a little list of products I need to use. But I've just got them ready for when I'm ready. I'm ready. It looks pretty good. It looks very sturdy. Look at me trying to shake it to like see how thick or how thin it is, and it looks very thick. So that is a good sign. And the next item is the Phyto specific oh my gosh, Phyto Specific Boba Oil. This is the oil you can use as a pre-shampoo before you shampoo your hair, or you can use it when you're styling your hair as well. So it's got two uses that I saw and I read out in the box as well. So I've not heard this brand before, but I heard they're pretty good, so I can't wait to use them. It's the brand again, Phyto Specific, and it is the deep repairing shampoo. People get to know about Tress, yeah, because it's a good box. £20 per month to get 5+ items in this box delivered to your house and everything as well. Look at the saving you can make when some of these products individually cost maybe up to £10 each. So yeah, and I've got a discount code as well, Missybeelondon 10. So remember to use that when you're at the checkout, so you can get a little 10% discount. Every little helps. It costs £20 as it is. You're making a savings, so I'll give you a little extra savings as well. Hope you enjoyed this video. And there'll be a video coming up later on in the month to show you when I'm using the products in my hair. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, discount code Missybeelondon 10. Tress. Yeah, head over to the Tress website, www.treasretress.co.uk. You know what you got to do. If you like watching these videos, give me a thumbs up, leave some comments. Thank you. Bye.